guys, welcome back to another video. I think I should probably put my new headphones on, but whatever. But today, over the weekend, I got 100 subscribers. So, thank you to all who subscribed to me. I never thought I'd make it, to this point, ever in the first 2 years. So, thank you. I really appreciate it. And the reason I've been making videos is I haven't really come up with any new ideas. So if you have any new ideas for me, then put it down in the comments below. If you want me to do the new suit review, I can't really because I don't have enough money. But if you want me to do a nice, cheap idea, then I'll do that. As long as it doesn't cost any money. But 100 subscribers, that's awesome. But I need new ideas. So whatever new ideas you have, just put them in the comments below. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.